This is Module 2, Lesson 7 homework. So today we're extending our learning of the multi-digit multiplication, but this time we're going into 3-digit multipliers. So it says draw an area model and then solve using the standard algorithm. So we can do that. So we're going to draw an area model, and since I have 3 digits in my multiplier and in both my multipliers, I'm going to divide this into 3 spaces, this one being 200, this one being 70, and this one being 3, to represent each place value of my number. I'm going to do the same for 346. 346. Now I know that 2 times 3 is 6, but I have 200 times 300, so I have a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. A 6 essentially with 4 zeros on the end of it, so 60,000. I know that 7 times 3 is 21, and then I have a 10 and a 100 here. And then I have 3 times 3 is 9, but that's 300, so you need 2 zeros there. And then 2 times 4 is 8, but it's 240, so we need that to be 8,000. 7 times 4 is 28, but there's 2 zeros there. And then I have 3 and 4 is 12, plus that one right there. And then for this one, I have 2 and 6 is 12, and 2 zeros. 7 and 6 is 42, and then my 1 0 there, and then 3 and 6 is 18. Now I can add all of those together and get my answer. So if I add 60,000 plus 8,000 is 68,000, plus 1,200 is 69,200. And then I have, let's see, 21,000. It gets a little hairy here. 28, and then 420, and then 900, and then 120, and 18. And then if all of our place values lined up, we have 2, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 7, 8, 9. So we get 458. Now let's make sure that all my math was correct and we can do the standard algorithm here. So if we have 3 times 6 is 18, 6 times 7 is 42, plus 1 is 43, 6 times 2 is 12, plus 4 is 16. And then we add a 0 here to show that we are now multiplying by 40 and not 4. This is something that a lot of the students are forgetting. So 4 times 3 is 12, so we have a 12 there. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 1 is 29. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Now we're going to be multiplying by 300, not just 3, so we need to do 2 zeros here to show that this is a 300 and not a 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 7 is 21, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Then we add 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 4, and look at there, they match up. And then we are going to look down here. Letter C has to do with letter B, and it has to do with this 0 right here and identifying why I would have only 2 partial products in this one, because if we set this up here, this 0 right here is going to do something to our partial products, and the kids for the most part understand that, but get a good explanation out of that. On the back, it just says to solve by drawing an area model and using the standard algorithm. So here we can see that we have 7,481, so this is one where their area model would need 3 places on one side, 290, and then, well, 0 here. And then we would need 4 here for 7,480 and 1. So this one, actually, we don't even need that bottom one because we don't need to multiply everything by 0. But then we can solve using the standard algorithm. And then when we go into the next ones, it's just the standard algorithm. We don't need to do the area models. And then when we go here, just some word problems that practice that same concept.